Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the ZkFair Airdrop. You can claim this free airdrop right now, so I'm going to explain you how you can do that step by step, because it was a little confusing in my private Discord where we have been talking about this yesterday and the last days. So I bring this video to all the community here in YouTube. But remember that the alpha things about airdrops and airdrop distribution dates like this video happen only in my Discord usually. But today I wanted to cover with all of you. So I'm going to do it exactly on live here for you step by step how you can claim the ZkFair airdrop. That if you are a follower of my channel, you are 100% going to get this token. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, I don't usually cover videos about airdrop distributions or claim for airdrops. I usually cover airdrops to apply because I don't have time to do 3 or 2 videos per day here in YouTube. So if you really want to know the airdrop distributions, go to cryptocurrencystate.net, go to /subscriptions, and here you have the subscription to my private Discord, and also I have an application to apply to airdrops. I am a developer, so I created this app that I use myself, but also you can use it here on the subscription. So being in my Discord community, we allow you to know when you can claim airdrops like the one that I'm covering today. So ZkFair airdrop, you can claim it today, and now you have only 7 days to do it. So this is time sensitive. I would recommend you to follow this video today and check it until the end. So this is the first community ZK rollup based on Polygon ZkEVM and Celestia DA. This is 100% token airdrop. So no investors, no reserve, no pre-mining, it's all community. They are giving the airdrop to Polygon ZkEVM users and Zk layer 2 users. So you can check your eligibility. I'm going to do it with you. The ZkEF claiming will end after the 11 AM UTC +8 on the January 11, and the ZkEF tokens and claim will be left in the contract forever. So that is from the official documentation. One of these steps is the official documentation that I recommend you to read it. But that phrase for me means basically that if are going to be locked forever in the contract, it's kind of making it like a burn. So that is why I'm going to tell you right now that these tokens doesn't have a big value right now, but I will not sell it immediately, because maybe if this is true and they actually burn these tokens on this way, then the supply could be really low, because ZkFair is not so known in the crypto space. There are not many videos, nobody's covering right now this claim. That means that not many people are going to get these free tokens, and like they say, this is 100% airdrop. So maybe this could worth something else if you wait some time. So the website is zkfair.io. You can go there and check all the information of the project, but basically what they have right now is the airdrop. You can check the ecosystems. So you have here already a couple of projects that are using ZkFair, and this is a new chain, so it's a new layer. You can add it to your MetaMask, and we are going to do that too. So let's go directly on how to claim it. So go to the official link with zkfair.io airdrop. That will be the first thing to do. In this case, you have here the section airdrop, and you can see 7 days until the end of this claiming. Here, what you need to do is the step 2, which is connect your AVM wallet, my MetaMask. And when you do this, you need to sign transactions and you will be moved to ZkFair network in MetaMask. So that is completely fine. And this is secure. I didn't cover this before because I wasn't sure it was a scam or not. I have to be honest. So after you connect, you're going to sign some request and you're going to be added to your ZkFair network. So if you go to MetaMask, you can see here that I am in the ZkFair network. If you don't have it on your MetaMask and for some reason doesn't pop up when you connect, you can search it in chainlist.org and you are going to be able to add it there. So you can see now that I have my total ZkEF on this wallet is 2022 ZkEF. So we are going to click this claim button after, but going down here, the way that you are participating on this airdrop is because you pay gas fees on Polygon ZkEVM in another layer 2. So going down here, you can see that the only points that I got for this wallet, it was not on Lumos points, but it was because I did some transactions on Polygon ZkEVM. So that is the amount of total tokens. And I didn't receive anything for my Zk layer 2s, which is weird. So don't be surprised if you don't apply to this airdrop, because even if I think that I am on the list for this transaction gas fees, I didn't receive in this wallet and in another wallet for this. So if you have any doubt, you can go to the Discord and you can ask there why you are not eligible. I will not know that answer, so don't put that in the comments because I really don't know. But the criteria are in one of the steps that we are going to cover here. So now we move to step 3, which is to claim. You will need to bridge some USDC to the ZkFair network to pay for transaction fees. You can bridge via Orbiter, Rhino, Fi, or many other bridges. In this case, I recommend you to do it by Orbiter because you are going to get points for what I am expecting is their airdrop. So here, if you go to Orbiter, what I did is I moved from Arbitrum USDC into ZkFair. And like you can see here on the points section, I have in this wallet 314 points. But you can see that these points, you can get it for bridging any amount of USDC from ZkFair to any network, and also from any network to ZkFair. So I will get these 5 points when I do this transaction, and then I can move my USDT outside ZkFair. So you will get points for the probably Orbiter Finance point system, which I think is for an airdrop in the future. So in this case, use Orbiter to bridge, and you can bridge it to ZkFair that is here as an option of the networks. Now the step 4, which is that you can get 0.1 USDC free from the Discord, is not anymore active. So you will need to bridge it like I mentioned in point 3. Now let's go and claim the tokens before moving forward into this. So now that I have ZkFair connected and I have USDC on my wallet, I will click claim. I will sign the request. I will pay the transaction, which is 0.79. And you can pay it because you already breached the tokens, and you can see claim success. So the claim was successful, and you can see here the transaction. So now if I go to the wallet, I should get the tokens. Now we move to the step 5. And again, like I mentioned before, I will not swap right now here. I will keep the tokens for a while until we see what happened with the rest of the unclaimed tokens and how this project moves. Because really, maybe right now it doesn't work much, but if they do the things correctly and they grow, maybe more entering into the bull run, the value could be a couple of X's. So in any case, you are totally in your right to sell your tokens. These are free tokens. So for that, you can go to Izumi Finance. So here is the URL. You go there to Izumi, and here be sure that you are in ZkFair. You have another networks here, but you can select ZkFair, and then you can connect your wallet. So my MetaMask. Once you connect your MetaMask, you can see, for example, if I put ZkEF into USDC, you can see here that I have the max, the tokens that I already claimed, 2022. So you can try to sell here your tokens. In this case, these tokens value $26. Like I say, it's really low price right now. So I will not sell it right now. But anyways, because I did transactions with Polygon ZkEVM in all my airdrop farming wallets, I am around this number in all of those. And I don't know why in a couple I actually got tokens for the layer 2. But that will be necessary for you to read all the documentation, which bring you to the point 6, which is check out the info about ZkEF token. Here is the link to the official documentation, and here you can see a couple of things about it. For example, the airdrop allocation. This is for users on Polygon ZkEVM chain. It's going to be 800 million tokens. For users on another Zk rollups, 200 millions. And they say here, including platforms like Zksync, Scroll, Zkspace, and Linea, between the 20th of October and the 20th of December. So it's not during all the year, it's specifically during these dates. And third, here you have the Lumos loyalty point holders, another 800 million. For claim your ZkEF, remember that opens the January 1st. And like I mentioned before, the claiming will end on January 11. The ZkEVM tokens and claim will be left in the contract forever. So again, for me that means it's kind of a burn, so they are not going to be able to get it anymore after. I am expecting that there is some kind of contract function that will end the contract airdrop claiming, and those tokens are going to be locked there. We need to see that in detail to be sure that those tokens are locked forever. So that is all guys for this. This way you can claim your tokens and you can sell it if you want, or if not, you can keep your ZkEVM tokens and see what happened. Here you have the ecosystem, so you can see that they are already integrated in a couple of projects and DXs, so I will give it some time. Okay guys, that is all for this video. Remember to check my subscriptions to my private Discord and my app, and check all the other videos from airdrops that I have been covering on the last 3 years, and many of them last months, very important projects to check there and to do the airdrops. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.